Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Capcut templates in two ways. So first thing that you can do is go to your TikTok app. And now go to search bar. Now search for Capcut templates. And here you have different options where you can choose from. For example, here, now you can select this one and use template in Capcut. Now you will be redirected to your Capcut app. And then finally click the use template. And now there is another way for you to do that. Just simply go to Capcut app. And they have the exactly section where you can find the templates that you want, which is much easier for you, of course. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.